Welcome to Learning Plan 8, Crises Related to Veterans Issues. This learning plan obviously will examine crises and veterans issues. Some of the issues explored will be depression, anger, PTSD, alcohol misuse, traumatic brain injury, family issues, and suicide. This is a difficult topic also. Let's review your learning activities for this learning plan. You're going to watch this video, read Chapter 8 in your textbook, Veterans Issues, review your PowerPoint slides for Chapter 8, and you're going to watch a short but intense clip on tornadoes to survivors. That certainly is timely because we in Wisconsin certainly have a lot of tornadoes at certain times of the year. Assessment activities include completing a quiz on Chapter 8, completing a discussion board post and 2 responses, and as always your 2 papers and your crisis intervention continue to work on. Let's talk about Chapter 8. It discusses a historical view of serving in the military culture, and also issues particular to veterans. It discusses invisible wounds, PTSD, depression and suicide, and treatment of PTSD. Pay attention to information on traumatic brain injury and also the issues facing the families of veterans. It's not only the veterans who are harmed. Issues facing college-enrolled veterans, and quite an extensive study in 2008 to 2009 of veterans and PTSD. On page 193, there's several cases to role play, box 8.1. Make sure you role play these cases. Pay attention to the ABC model. It discusses validation, empowerment, reframing, and coping, and it'll be a very good exercise for you. Also pay attention to general interventions. They talk about vet centers and the Vets Administration, acceptance and commitment therapy, SANTRE, and EMDR. All have merit. Key terms for study include combat stress injuries, deployment, invisible wounds, post-deployment, secondary traumatization, TBI, which is a traumatic brain injury, and also virtual reality exposure. I hope you learn a lot during Learning Plan 8.